What's up, guys? It's August 18th, 2025. Man, we had a tough day in the markets. I called it quits early. One winner, one loser, and one winner, but the winner was the scaling, and I was not feeling it. Um, Hope you guys didn't get crushed today. I know today's a tough day for breakout traders, but there were leg twos. Weekly chart, daily chart. Why? Here we go. I gotta figure out how to make it automatic that it goes on the arrow. I'm getting tired of like the crosshairs across the screen. So, weekly chart on the left here. Today's Monday. I think we have FOMC on Wednesday, so I'm not going to be trading too much this week. And, yeah, Monday. Trading range behavior. And I only say trading range because of this bar. We continue to make new highs, it was nothing more than a pullback, but right now we're kind of stalling at the this week's high. Last week we went a couple of ticks above it, and this week we're opening right around last week's close, which makes perfect sense. It's Monday. So we have a rally. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back. That was a weird. Leg one, the heck? Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back. Leg three, or you could say leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back. And now we're starting to go more sideways, so that's that trading range behavior in the third leg. I am in a trade right now. If you guys are interested in joining the membership, I do trade breakdowns about how I enter trades based around trap traders, because I believe that trap traders are what gives us spotting where trap traders get out is what gives us an edge. So what I mean by that is bulls got trapped here. They're going to buy more here, and this line becomes their average entry price. That's where I like to get short because bulls are going to sell out. Problem with this specific trade is that bulls made money right here, so we are in some sort of bear channel, but this might be the start. This might be a higher low, so might exit for a small win or loss depending on how this bar closes, because this is a setup, now this is a setup, so trading range behavior. But I put my order right there because that's where I want bulls to sell, and my favorite type of trade would be leg one, tag my order, leg two. Since bulls got these two bars, they're making money. We're in a trading range. If you guys are interested in more detailed breakdowns, join the membership or hit the subscribe button. I talk about this all the time in the daily breakdowns. The memberships are just a little more nuanced. So let's get into it. This trade is about to, I don't even want to say about to hit because the market's sideways, and the RTH session was tough today. Where are we? Bar three, bar two, bar one. So yesterday we had a sell-off and then some sort of pullback, really choppy. But at least yesterday was somewhat directional. You could catch a couple scalps down or a couple scalps up. Today was tough. Where are we? Bar one, bull bar closing on its high. Bad follow through bar two, and then bar three sells off and then rallies. So there's that leg one, leg two. Leg one, pullback, leg two. Not a trade I would take because I wait for at least 2 bars in a row. Bar 4, bad close, and you can see that there's sellers at the higher time frame EMA. Their rally started to sell off, and now there's a nice bear channel down here. We're in a trading range. There's a lot of overlap, so in trading ranges we have to count fractal legs. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Trading ranges, second leg traps are common. So there's your bearish second leg trap, and then look at the bullish second leg trap. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Makes a new high, and bar 12 again. Big 2-bar reversal strong to get second leg down. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And we start there's enough bearish momentum here for a small bear channel. But then again, it just has a quick pop, sells off, and then we rally. So tough day. Look at bar 13 and 16. It has a big tail, so bulls are buying lows, they're willing to buy lows, and then we have a rally from the low of 16 to the high of 17. But this is testing the breakout point right around here. 18 sells off and then rallies. 19 goes for a new high, but then we sell off. 21, 22, and 23, deep pullback, testing the breakout point right around here. And 20 and 21 get a second leg down with 23 and 24. Then we have a bit of a wedge bottom here. This is a tough read. We have a wedge bottom here, and then it rallies leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. 33 close bearish, but there's a hidden bull leg right around here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Well, that's actually leg 3. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. 34, 35, 2 bull bars closing on their highs, but look, it's not closing past 33. Swing. 36 tries to, did I say 30? Yeah, that's right. 36 is a bear bar. Bears want to reverse this right around the swing, somewhat of a double top here. And it does. Bulls that bought up here, buy more lower, they get out here at break even around the original entry. You can see 36. What's the high of the high of 19 is 70.50. I'm looking at these numbers right up here. The high of 19 is 70.50. The last 4 numbers. So I read the dot, I read the number. So right here, like 70.25. So 19 is 70.50, and then 37 is 69.75. So within a couple ticks, and then it sells off. So bulls were eager to get out of a bad trade right around here. They bought here, and they get out at break even. Sells off. Bulls are selling the same place that bears with the double top. And then we get 2 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Now we have another 3 legs up. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Bears are shorting down here. They're getting trapped. They're hoping for a breakout. Then the market rallies. They short here. So let's see. Bears that short the low of 40. Oh, that. Bears that short the low of 40 don't really get their break-even exit right around here. So keep going. No break-even exit. Keeps going. Bears that short their swing high get their break-even exit with bar 50. At this point, bears are pretty over-leveraged, so they could be buying back shorts, and then we get that second, third leg up. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Leg 3 makes a double top. The tough day, I can't say one trade's better than the other. But what I would say is that it's a trainer's day, so we have to scalp. And if you would scalp for a couple points, that's good. I took 2 trades today, and as soon as I realized what was going on with 12 and 13, I was like, I gotta stop. But today's not my day. So what was the trades? Okay, so first of all, so I hesitated taking. I was looking at the RTH. Oh no, I was looking at ETH, and I hesitated taking this trade here because it was before 7 o'clock Pacific Standard. We were above the EMA, but look, this was a good leg 1, leg 2. Bulls that buy here, buy more lower, they get out break even here. Sells off. I hesitated, and I ended up taking the next leg down, which was that second leg trap. Right around here. So I got filled here, and I exited as bar 113 was turning up. You can see my target was hit, but I still would have got stopped out because my stop was it was right there actually. Next trade I took, I'm not proud of. I took this, I wanted the second leg of this entire piece, and I get filled here. Rallies against me. I added to my position a little bit here. I'm like around this bar. Sells off, and then I added again at the higher time frame EMA, and I got the tail of 150 on this chart, 155. And I was like, yeah, I'm done. I don't like scaling in like that, and it's just sideways day. Though so much overlap in the morning, it's dangerous game. I was trading small enough that I got away with it, but I don't have a system for scaling in, so I shouldn't really be doing it. Anyways, let's go back to ES. So bulls have a nice leg up. They short here, they short higher here. Bears short here, they short higher here. Get out of break even. A lot of sideways momentum, somewhat of a wedge bottom. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Wedge bottom testing support here. And then bulls get their second leg because bears are buying back shorts. Right into resistance, pulls back. Bears that got short down here don't really get their break-even exit. Instead, it bounces off the EMA, and bulls get another leg up between 72 and 77. Big tail on 78. I think this trade is good enough to hold. I do think we're in training range, so I'm probably going to just go walk the dog and wind down for the rest of the night. I took one winner or one loser today. I was at work, so I traded really small. This was the trade, and then I exited here for like -30. I took one, so I'm trading two accounts, Apex and Tradeify, not at the same time right now. I took this one with Apex, which was my funded one, leg one, pullback, leg two, got out right here. And then I was profitable on Apex, so now I'm just trading on the Tradeify one until I can book those profits and you guys can see this trade. There's a bear channel down here. So I'm looking for a leg two. I don't like these two bars because now I know bulls are making money. Leg one, pull back leg two. And look, that's an inside bar. I don't like putting my stop at break even. And then I usually say I'll hold for one more bar and then it rips against me. It's a tough read. We're in a trading range. Probably just close out and trade tomorrow morning, I guess. Yeah, look, it's turning up. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. If you're still here, I appreciate you guys staying for the whole thing. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I do think we have FOMC this Wednesday, so I'll talk about that in the Discord. Now, I'm not going to talk about FOMC in the Discord. I'm just going to verify if we have it or not in the Discord. And it's selling off anyways. So you guys have a good one. Talk to you later. If you learned something, share a show. Don't be a hoe. Thank you for your time, everyone. Bye.